Welcome to Workforce Wednesday with Kaizen 724. Workforce Wednesdays are about focusing on the folks that make it happen on your team and how you can add value to the support they require.
Well, I hope you have your tickets ready. The show is about to begin. And as we start this conversation, let's look at this conductor here and we think about the London Philharmonic or the New York Symphony or any of the famous orchestras around the world. Who is it that gets the credit? It's typically the conductor. That's the person that is the face of the orchestra, the one that gets the acclaim, and is often the one that is hobnobbing with the important people. So, why do we bring this up? As leaders, a lot of times we get the glory, we get the attention, we also have the ear of important people. And as leaders, though, we have to realize that the orchestra is the one making the music. They are the ones entertaining the crowd. We certainly have our place in the equation, but it's important to make sure that, number one, they get the credit for the hard work that they're doing and the results that they're creating. And let's talk about what a leader can do. These Workforce Wednesdays are about how leaders need to add value to the relationship, not just track numbers and measurements. So let's use this conductor as an example. Conductors were often known in early times as the giver of rhythm, a manual metronome as it were, so they set the pace, and that's what we as leaders need to do, is set the pace for the team. Also, the conductor is there to get the best out of each performer, help them be the best they can be. So that implies people development. So as leaders, we've got to make sure that we are spending time and focusing on talent development within our team. Another responsibility of the conductor is to make sure that the team is well equipped. As the person who is hobnobbing with the important folks, the conductor often is involved in fundraising. We might translate that into our scenario as making sure that your team has the resources, tools, machines, and materials necessary to do the job and do the job well. So this is our initial Workforce Wednesday, helping us focus on making sure that we are supporting our team, giving them credit, and as leaders going beyond measuring, but adding value to the equation. Thanks for tuning in. Let's go out there and make things better.